Hi guys, how's everything? Taking my morning, well now it's already 10 o'clock, it's not quite morning, walk through the forest. It's lovely here. And I was just thinking about one tiny thing is, you know how people say what doesn't kill you makes you stronger? It doesn't really. So for me this kind of walk that I'm taking most of the mornings makes me stronger because I know where my limits are. I know whether I'm going to push myself or I'm just going to take a small walk, you know, I can elaborate on it. But when you actually go through some kind of violence, rape, or whatever, those things are not making you stronger. They're making you more wounded and more cautious towards the environment and people around you. So they're not really helping you. These are the quotes that psychopaths probably invented because, you know, they thought things like this are gonna make you stronger. No, they won't. The things that make you stronger is the self-discipline together with self-care. Not this bollocks. Okay, so look at the forest now. This is gonna make me stronger because I know every time when I take this road I'll be able to go a bit further, but I'm not gonna force myself to do the impossible as you would in the times of great stress. And those things don't make you stronger, they just make you more weary of what might happen and more cautious about the world and the people around you.